Are you tired of blending in, stuck in the noise of the digital world, feeling lost in a sea of competition, desperately seeking a breakthrough? Introducing Internative Labs, where creativity meets strategy in the digital realm. At Internative Labs, we've mastered the art of business development, unlocking hidden potential within your brand.
Our graphics and branding team crafts visual identities that breathe life into your business, leaving a lasting impression. Web design and development, meticulously tailored to captivate your audience and convert visitors into loyal customers. Harness the power of digital marketing through social media, Google Ads, and SEO to skyrocket your online presence. Engage, inspire, and influence with our cutting-edge video marketing services, amplifying your message like never before.
Unlock the mobile revolution with our expert team, developing apps that seamlessly connect you with your audience. But wait, there's more. Join our family of satisfied clients, benefiting from our years of expertise, dedication, and unmatched results. So are you ready to break free from the ordinary and step into the extraordinary?